Hi, welcome back. Today we'll be rounding to the nearest 10. So with rounding to the nearest 10, we want to remember the tens timetables like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. When rounding to the nearest 10, we're going to look at the tens place value and then look at the ones place value to decide to move up or down to the next 10. So here we have just a number line to 10, and we're going to be looking at the number 5. When we're rounding to the nearest 10, the ones place value will show us if it's greater than 5 to move up to the nearest 10. If it's 4 or less, we're going to move down to the nearest 10. For example, let's say we have the number 46. 46. So we look at the tens place value, 40, here, and then we look at the ones place value, 46, or 6. We see this number is between 40 and 50. Now, just looking at it, I can already see that to get to 40, I would have to go 6 places to the left if we were looking at a number line, or to get to 50, I'd have to move 4 places to the right. So basically, we want to know which one is closer. And you can already see that 4 places to the right will be closer than moving 6 places to the left. But let's look at our chart. Our chart here, we know it's number 6. Remember, if the ones place is 5 or greater, we go up. So 46 rounded to the nearest 10 is actually 50. Let's try another one. Let's say we have the number 93. So 93, as we know, is between 90 and 100. And just to look at it, we know we can go 3 places to the left to get to 90, or we'll have to move 7 places to the right to get to 100. I can already tell just by looking at the number and knowing it's between 90 and 100 what it is to the nearest 10. But let's check it on this little chart. Remember, ones place, if it's less than 4, we go down. So 93, between 90 and 100, is rounded to the nearest 10, 90. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say we have the number 60. 60 rounded to the nearest 10. It's 60. That's right. It's already rounded. So it checks out. Okay? So whenever you have like a whole number that is a tens number, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, that is the actual number that's rounded. Okay, let's go on to 232. We'll try a 3-digit number. So with 232, this is the hundreds place. We're dealing with tens. Remember, this is the tens place, and then the ones. But this number 232 is between 230 and 240. Now I already know if I go to 230, I'm only moving 2 spaces to the left. But if I want to go to 240, I would have to move 8 spaces to the right. So with that, I can see 232 rounded to the nearest 10. But remember, the ones place value, even in a larger number, we still look at the ones place value. It's a 2. So remember, according to the chart, with our 4 or less, we move down. So 232 rounded to the nearest 10 is 230. That's it. I'll see you on the next one.